Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. In this video, we show you this some Crochet Flowers Finger Rings designs collection. These are collection are very useful. These collection will definitely help you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet flowers ring designs collection. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet flowers ring design ideas. You can see the beauty of these crochet flowers ring free pattern ideas collection. New ideas crochet all designs collection. Beautiful and different color combination crochet flowers ring designs collection. Beautiful crochet flower rings designs ideas 2024. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.